I mocked up a lighted vanity mirror. I need to put one into a bathroom, but everything I've seen is pretty much, it might last 2 years and then you have to buy a new one, and who knows if it will, who knows if it'll fit. The components to make one of these cost, I don't know, 30 bucks for the light, for the LED strip. The transformer is way more than I need, and that might have been 30 bucks. And the steel, maybe 50 bucks. Piece of plywood, glass was 17 bucks. So, you put all these things together and it's really not that costly. It takes time to weld the frames. There's two pieces. The one that you see here is 1.5 inches by 1/8 inch angle. And, I've just have it tacked together, and I'll smooth it out later. I just wanted to see what the lighting effect would be. So I'll open it up. You can see kind of how it's put together. One frame, and I'll sink in and weld in some nuts inside so it'll fasten from the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then everything's good. I had this 1-inch acrylic that had a colored coating on the back, as you can see. So when it's lit from the side, which is how it's set up right now, with this easy to find 12 volt LED strip, adhesive back, so it's pretty basic. Anyhow, it's pretty easy. If you've seen it before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So that's it. The glass is sitting on a piece of plywood. The plywood is sitting on to the angled frame. So I'm using a gravity bond right here. I'll have everything set up so that it's, you just unscrew a few fasteners and this exterior frame will come right off. Set it aside, make your repairs, yada, yada, yada. It's just the ones I was looking at, you look online and you get a good review, but every so often you get bad reviews. And for all of this stuff, you're going to get bad reviews when they're mass produced in wherever they're made. This, if something breaks, it's really easy to repair. So, and I just wired it really, I'm not even going to show it. It's embarrassing how horrible it is, but it works. And this is just to see what the lighting effect is. So I'll pop off the light here first. The magic of iPhones. All right, here it goes. Super bright. And they make switches. I don't have one on here now. It's even more pronounced because I think this video is at like 30 frames per second. And the lights are at 60 hertz. So that's like 60 times per sec, or yeah, it's 60 times per second, I think, that they're flashing. So you get, it's kind of like taking a video of a helicopter. You'll see the blade kind of in 4 different spots or something. Kind of the same thing. So the way these lights dim is they blink on and off, blink on and off, blink on and off. But there are other transformers that I think smooth it out more. I don't see it quite as much with when I'm not looking through the camera. You see it through the camera. But anyhow, it's kind of what you get. You get quite a bit of light. You can put the scary welding, the camo welding helmet there to get an idea of light. Ooh, look. Let's get ready to go out. Okay. Ooh, I can see myself. That sort of thing. Okay. There it is.